How do I enable developer mode on my Xbox One?
Welcome, Xbox enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a cool feature of your Xbox One, the developer mode. This mode allows you to develop and test games and apps right on your Xbox One. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling developer mode. Please note that this process can void warranties and potentially harm your system if not used correctly, so proceed with caution.
What is developer mode?
Developer mode, as the name implies, allows you to transform your retail Xbox One console into a development kit. With this mode enabled, you can create and test games directly on the Xbox One. However, be aware that while the console is in developer mode, you cannot play retail games or run retail apps.
How to access developer mode?
In order to access developer mode, we first need to download the Dev Mode Activation app. Here's how. 1. Start at the Xbox One home screen. 2. Navigate to the store. 3. In the search bar, type in Dev Mode Activation and select the app. 4. Download and install the app.
Activating developer mode.
Now that we have the app installed, we can proceed to activate developer mode. Follow these steps. 1. Launch the Dev Mode Activation app. 2. On the app's home screen, take note of the code shown. You will need this to activate your console. 3. Using a computer, go to the Microsoft Developer website. 4. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. 5. After signing in, enter the code from your Xbox One. 6. Click Activate to enable developer mode on your Xbox One.
Switching to developer mode.
After activation, you can switch your Xbox One to developer mode. Here are the steps. 1. On your Xbox One, go back to the Dev Mode Activation app. 2. Select Switch and Restart. 3. Your Xbox One will restart and launch in developer mode. And there you have it. You have successfully activated developer mode on your Xbox One. Now, you can start creating and testing your own games and apps. Remember, to return to retail mode and play regular games, you'll need to switch back using the Dev Mode Activation app. Thank you for watching, and happy developing!